circle x is defined by the equation x plus 2 squared plus y squared is equal to 16. Circle y is the result of shifting circle x down 3 units and increasing the radius so that the radius of circle y is 3 times the radius of circle x. Which equation defines circle y? So I think a good place to start here is just by the sentence about the radius. So it tells us that the radius of circle y is 3 times the radius of circle x. So let's start there. What is the radius of circle x? Well, this is the equation of circle x. And remember, in our equation of a circle, it's basically written as this: x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. Now it's important. R squared is equal to 16. Okay? So if r squared is equal to 16, that means r is equal to the square root of 16, which is 4. So the radius of x is actually equal to 4. Okay? And we're told that the radius of y is 3 times 4. Okay? So the radius, basically, of circle y must be 12. Now, if we look at our answer choices, you know that it can't be B or D because we have 16 here, right? Now, what's interesting is, remember that the equation of the circle is written like this, right? Now, in all of our answer choices, if you notice, the numbers that we're basically setting the equation equal to is not squared, right? It doesn't say like 16 squared. It just says 16, which means that they basically already assumed that they squared the radius for us. So if r is equal to 12, that means we're basically setting this equal to 12 squared, which is equal to 144. And if you notice, 9 times 16 is equal to 144, which is why A and C is what we're between right now. Now, the only differences really between A and C is essentially we have x plus 2, x plus 3, we have x plus 2, and y plus 3 and y minus 3. So we're moving the circle down 3 units. So let's just go to Desmos and graph the equation. So if you graph the equation in Desmos, now I want you to graph, let's just say answer choice A. And as you can see, while we're graphing this, we are indeed moving the circle down 3 units, right? So A would be correct.